Hey guys, it's Leon from Greenfish channel, and I'm on Sylvan Wilson's channel, and we're going to be doing a video of the 5 guessing game. So first, I'm going to go first. When was I born?
December 2008.
What day on December?
December 2017.
No, you got it wrong. Don't even try to say it. Shut your mouth. It was I was born December 27th, 2008. Okay, your turn. Go.
Guess what day
No, it's not your turn. It's still my turn. Second. Who's my favorite stuffed animal that I sleep with? Starts with a. I'm not telling you. I don't know what it is.
Freckles.
No.
Freeze.
No.
The bee. Waddles.
Yes, Waddles. Okay, my third.
If you mess up, you get 3 guesses.
No, you don't. My number 3 one. Third one. What do I love doing?
You love doing cartwheels and stuff.
No, like an activity outside if it's summertime. In if
Swimming at each stadium.
Yeah. Number 4 is what's my favorite food? No, my favorite fruit, I mean.
Oranges.
No.
Bananas.
No.
Watermelon.
Yeah. And what else?
Strawberries.
And what else?
Kiwi.
And what else?
Pineapple.
And what else?
Apple.
And what else?
The green bananas.
Yeah, and what else? Just missing something. Grapes. Okay, so my number.
Cherries.
I know.
You have a lot to like a fruit.
My 5th one is who do I love the most?
Mommy.
Okay, your turn. Go.
Okay. Guess what? Guess who I like?
Nathan Keith. Garrett.
Yes.
Why, he's cute. Go, Ben. There's a second one.
What day was I born on?
Easy. What year is it?
January.
No, January 3rd, 2008.
Correct.
Correct. She put a video of me trying to sing the Be Cute video. If you saw me, I was doing the guitar. I was like, I don't know. But anyway, your third one.
What is my favorite color?
Blue, green, red, pink.
Okay. 5th. What?
No. Fourth.
What is my favorite book?
This, it's like, I know what it looks like. It's like a book that's informational. A comic book.
Anyway.
Okay, your 4th one.
Your 5th. Okay. Who holded my waist at recess?
Nathan Keith.
Garrett. No, because he was catching me. He's catching me.
You're moving the camera. Okay, you're done. My turn then. Who did I first like in my class? In my 2nd grade class.
You liked Evan.
Not really. Starts
You
with a
like
J.
John?
He's not in my second grade class.
You're in
Jaden.
You like Jaden?
Yes, I liked him.
You steal?
No.
You like you?
Shut up! My second one is who do I like now? He already knows. So I shouldn't even ask. Who do I like now?
Eric.
He's really cute. Eric, if you heard me, then really I do not like you. I like someone else. My sister's wrong. She just wanted me to say that. Yes, she just wanted me to say that. She wanted me to say that I liked you. So you couldn't be my friend. My third one is who's my best friend? Who's my best friend?
Allison, Maggie, and Alondra.
Sort of. But Abby and Danica
And
I-
Rose.
My fourth one is what blanket do I like sleeping with?
Ashik.
No. The Christmas one. Okay, my fifth one is do I like be pretty? Do I like being pretty for school?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, people. Her turn. Okay, go.
Guess what's my favorite song?
Okay, stay with me. I'm just gonna. Ashlyn J songs. Yeah, but you forgot the Chains. Chains of Home. Lean on. Somebody to lean on. Oh,
That's my girl.
I don't know. Just tell me. I can't guess.
It's That's My Girl.
Oh, can I do a sixth thing? Who's the fattest man?
The guy that was selling Camp movies at the Running Deep Stadium.
Santa Claus. Okay, keep going.
Okay. Who?
Bye, everybody. Hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Bye.